Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to set timer on iPhone camera. So if you want to take a selfie and you want to use the rear camera using your tripod stand, then you can easily set a timer on your iPhone to initiate a countdown before the picture will be taken. So this is good if you are taking a group picture and you want to be involved in the picture, then you can easily set a timer on your iPhone. So if you're of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set timer on iPhone camera, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the camera app on your iPhone. Once you open the camera app, then choose either you want to use portrait or you want to use photos. So once you selected either of them, you can just swipe down on the photo or portrait. Just swipe up like this to have this menu comes up, or better still, go ahead and click on the pointed arrow at the top to reveal this menu. Then to set the timer on the camera app on your iPhone, just select this timer icon. Now once selected, I can see the timer is turned off now. Now you have three other options available where you can use 3 seconds timer, 5 seconds timer, and 10 seconds timer. So set the timer you want to use. So let's say you want to set to 5 seconds timer. Once you select the 5 second timer, then you should see the timer added to the top here. Or 10 seconds, then you should see the timer added to the top here. Or 5. If you turn off timer on your iPhone, then you should see the timer disabled here. So go ahead and set the timer to either 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. So in this case, I'm going to use 5 seconds. Once you set 5 seconds, then position your iPhone camera properly, and then go ahead and click on the shutter button. So you should see the countdown if you're using iOS 18 or on the screen like this. And after that, you should see the picture taken. And once the picture is taken, you can then go ahead and view the picture. Then to take another photo using the timer, you need to repeat the same process again. So that is basically how to set the timer on iPhone camera. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.